Say one verb from letter R.
Run.
Say one adjective from letter B.
Beautiful.
So, ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to do one new activity. By this activity, I'm truly believe on this activity that this activity will help them out to improve their vocabulary. You know what happens when we talk about English speaking? In English speaking, if you want to improve your fluency, if you want to improve your English speaking, you should have one thing that is called meanings, that is called words, because without words we cannot speak English, right? We cannot speak any language. It is not about only English. So thing is that today I have just made one new activity. By this activity, these students will able to understand what is the real meaning of vocabulary and how to use vocabulary, and what is the difference between adjective words and adverb and conjunction as well, right? So they will able to understand this. And what is my thing? I believe if you want to speak English, you have to work on your vocabulary first of all. If you have vocabulary, if you have meanings, definitely you will able to arrange that vocabulary in your speaking. So, ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to start. So, Mr. Ravi, are you ready for this competition?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
But you are looking nervous.
No, sir.
No, really?
Yes.
Okay. Miss Shivani, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Show with energy. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
I will give you one letter. I will give you one letter, and you have to say, and you have to tell me that I will tell you that you have to tell verb and adjective as well. Right? I will give you one letter, and I will tell that say and give me one vocab like from any verb and from any adjective. Okay? Say one verb from letter T.
Teach.
Say one adjective from letter H.
Edge. Honest.
Okay. Say one verb from letter R.
Run.
He's not speaking. Say one verb from letter A.
App.
Abuse. Abuse. Abuse.
गाली देना. It is verb. Last. बराबर हो गया. अब लास्ट जो विन करेगा वो जीतेगा. Okay. Say one adjective from letter old. Sorry. Excuse me. Okay. Say one adjective from letter C.
C.
Cycle.
Say one adjective from letter C.
Move.
Say one letter. Sorry, excuse me. Say one adjective from letter C.
Select.
Select.
Clever होगा ना सर.
What you said?
Clever.
Clever. Very good. Mr. Ravi has won. Four more. Okay. Say one verb from letter B.
Yes, sir.
From letter B. Say one verb from letter B.
Boy.
Bright.
Bright.
No, sir.
Say one verb from letter B.
Beat.
B. Very nice. Okay. Say one adjective from letter B.
Beautiful.
Very nice. Say one noun from letter K.
Kite.
Excuse me. Say one adjective from letter W.
Right. Adjective, sir, बोला.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Very nice. Last question. Why are you devouring izzat of boys? Come on. Okay. Say one verb from letter T.
Teach.
Say one verb from letter R.
Read.
He said first.
Yeah.
He said first. Okay. Say one verb from letter S.
S.
Yeah, verb. Sleep. Very nice. Say one noun from letter A.
At.
Say one.
Apple.
Listen. Very nice. Say one adjective from letter H.
Hot. Hoda.
Hot. Okay. Now two questions remains. Say one Say one verb from letter T.
Teacher.
Say one verb from letter T.
Teach.
Very nice. Say one adjective from letter W.
Wonderful.
Say one verb from letter T. Say one verb from
Tell.
letter T.
Tell.
Okay. Say one verb from letter E.
क्या बोला सर?
Eat.
Eat.
Say one adjective from letter T.
Teach.
Adjective.
Say one adjective from letter T.
Talent.
Talent. Okay. Say one adjective from letter W.
Win.
Water.
Water. Very nice. Say one adjective from letter W. Wise. Very nice. Say one noun, and it should be an abstract noun from letter H.
H. Honest.
Very nice. It should be honest and honesty.
Honest.
Honesty.